What a great stop. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Come over here. Well, roll down your window. Bro, I said roll down your window. I just want to talk to you. Why can't he? So can you hear me? Alright, I can't wait for my president. Bro, it's legit standing right in front of you. My present's a car? Yeah, just open it. Okay. Do you like your present? So, do you want to explain to me why there's a full shotgun in here? You know, just to shoot people for protection, you know. Well, in that case... Wait. Pa! Pa! Horsey, do you want a horsey? That's not even a word. Yeah, why are you walking? You want a treat? Do you want a treat? By the time I opened the door, she was right behind me, bro. Hey, Danny, you want a treat? Treat. Okay. I'll get your treat. Gotta give bro 4, man. 4. Oh, just for some fun. Oh, fuck. Oh, man, that cut me real good. Hey, you. Do you want a treat? She teleported. Hey, you want a treat? Oh, no. There you go. Oh. I was born in 1999. I was born in 1988 for a GMC Sierra. I mean, Envoy. People keep saying, what year was I born in? I was born in 1957.